Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Can you give us your brief introduction?
Yes, so as you know myself, and I'm basically from. And coming to my work experience, I have 4 years of experience as a database developer. So initially,
Okay.
initially I started my work on SQL Server as a fresher. So there I learned like table creations and ground level work, some kind of small cities. I worked like that till 2 years, and after that I got an opportunity to learn Postgres SQL. So here my domain is automobile insurance. Majorly I am working on user defined functions, and also some part of reinsurance I am taking care of. Apart from that, my previous project I was working on Power BI, like it was like just 20% work. It's not a full my work task. I was performing as a backup person. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you have only experience on SQL or else on SRS or Power BI?
Yeah, 1 year I performed as a backup person of who is handling Power BI. That's related to reinsurance prices, how he is handling, and how he is designing the Power BI reports and dashboards. That I learned using some
Okay.
simple DAX measures, and using some visuals to create some understandable Power BI reports.
Okay. So it's not like a complete development. You are just giving support for them. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, not completely 100%, not development. Like 80% I was in my task, like as a SQL developer,
Mm-hmm.
and I was supporting to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other tools you are familiar with? Like recently, everyone is moving to cloud. Do you have any idea about cloud technologies like Fabrics, Azure, or AWS?
Yes, I just basic understanding about AWS, but I don't have work experience, but I have understanding about it. And also like part of my SQL development, I am using SSIS as well for data loading. Yeah.
Okay, ETL.
Yes, ETL.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the bottom and 10 being the highest, how much you rate yourself in SQL?
I can give 7 to 8.
Okay. In Power BI?
Power BI 4 or 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On SSRS, do you have any hands-on experience on SSRS?
Hands-on experience, so I don't have, but I have some knowledge.
Okay. Just based on your knowledge, how can you rate yourself, like from 1 to 10?
SSRS.
Yes.
I can say basic understanding, maybe 2 or 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 All right. Then we can start the interview.
Yes.
And she'll start with the SQL questions. Yeah. Handing over. I'll start with some basic SQL questions. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, Jay, can you tell me the difference between drop, delete, and truncate?
Okay. So drop and truncate comes under DDL commands. So it is completely structure, like it will modifying the database structure. It won't touch the data manipulation. Okay, and also if you do drop or truncate, what will happen is drop, it will completely dropping or removing that particular database or table from server. and we cannot able to roll back. And also coming to truncate, truncate is like it won't remove the table structure, but it will deallocate all rows like records whatever is there. And coming to delete, it is comes under DML commands. There will be some specific condition if you put, like it will work with a where condition, so it will delete like a specific rows. Yeah.
Okay. So does delete rollback? Can we roll back delete statement?
Yes, we can, but truncate and
And
drop we can't.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me the difference between a primary key and a unique key?
Okay, so primary key is a column that maximum will be creating on the ID columns. So this will be unique and it won't allow duplicate values, and it will be like a not null column, so it won't allow the nullable values as well. And whatever the value we have assigned to that column, we cannot able to change it. And coming to unique is like this is also don't allow the duplicate values, but if you keep it as a null, then it will allow one nullable value, but it won't repeat, like it won't allow another one. So if you keep not null, then that time it won't allow a single null also. Yeah.
So you know the query execution flow, how the query executes in the background in the SQL part, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll list down some of the clauses. Okay. Just rearrange them on the basis of how the query execution happens in the background. Can you share your screen and open a notepad once?
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. So I'll list down some of the clauses. Okay. Just rearrange them on the basis how the query execution happens. Okay, in the background.
Okay.
So first clause is select.
Okay.
Then comes join.
Okay.
Group by. Order by.
Okay.
Having.
Okay.
Distinct. And from.
Okay.
Just rearrange them how the execution happens.
Okay. Table from, then join. Select rows and distinct. Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell me the difference between where and group by?
Okay. So where class will be executed before the group by, in the sense whatever the results we are getting from the group by, having will be using that results, and then it will be calculating. But where is like it will be performing before group by.
Okay, fine. So suppose I have a table, okay, which is having employee ID.
Okay.
You can note it down once.
Okay.
Employee name.
Okay.
Department ID.
Okay.
Department name.
Okay.
And salary.
Okay.
Okay. So right now I need to fetch the list of department IDs. Okay.
Okay.
Whose salaries are greater than 50,000.
Okay.
Let's say we have multiple months of salaries for all the employees.
Okay.
In that scenario, total salary for each department, for each employee, who's greater than 50,000.
We do not need to consider the employee. On the basis of department ID, total salary should be greater than 50,000.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Total salary.
In the result set, I just need the department whose total salary is greater than 50,000.
Okay. Yeah, please check this.
So yeah, we can go to the next question.
Yeah.
Have you heard about CTEs?
Yes, yes.
And temp tables? Okay, can you differentiate between the CTE and a temp table?
Okay. CT is like a common table expression. So it is like a temporary result set, in the sense if any query we are repeatedly using, so we can create a CTE with giving some name like a CTE name, and it won't store in the database. It will be like whenever we querying it, then it will be executing. So apart from that, it won't work. So I mean to say, only execution time it will work. And coming to temp table, it is act like a normal table, but existency will be in the same whatever the session we are using the temp table, it will be limited for that session. If that session is closed, that temp table will not work.
Okay. Suppose I have a table, okay, which is having billions of data. Okay.
Okay.
So I need to use that particular table, okay, in my query. So which approach will you go? Will you go with the CTE or will you go with the temporary table?
Temporary table we can use.
Okay. Fine. Okay, so I have another query. Okay, so suppose I have two tables.
Okay.
Okay, you can note it down. One is employee table.
Okay.
Which is having employee ID.
Okay.
and employee name.
Okay.
I have a sales table which is having columns:
Okay.
sales ID, employee ID, and sales amount. Okay. I need to fetch the employees, okay, who has never made a sale.
Okay. So wherever the sales ID is not existing, so we can find that employees.
So, have you heard about store procedures?
Yes.
Okay, so what is a store procedure?
Yes, stored procedure is set of SQL statements inbuilt in the single procedure. It means there will be included some business logics, DMN commands and select, and there will be some transaction control things and some conditional data calculations, everything. It will be built in a single query. If I say some example, if it is e-commerce related project, we will be doing everyday sales, right? So that selling products is a repeated things. So whenever we sell a product, we have to insert that sales into the sales table, and after that we have to whatever the quantity of that product is sold, that we have to update in product table as well, right? So these things, if we create a stored procedure, whenever that things is happening, it will automatically do.
Okay, fine. So, okay, suppose I have a table, okay.
Okay.
It is having same employee table,
Okay.
which is having employee name,
Hmm.
Department ID,
Employee name, right?
department ID,
Okay.
and salary.
Okay.
So I need you to create a store procedure, okay. So which will be having two parameter ranges. Suppose when I'm executing that particular store procedure, it should be having two parameter where I should be entering some amount, some range of amount. Okay. Suppose 20,000 and 40,000. Suppose. So on the basis of that, it should filter out the employee name and department IDs in that particular table. So how will you create the syntax for that store procedure?
Okay.
You got the question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it complete?
Yeah.
Okay. I have another question. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose I have a table. Okay. Which is having customer ID, customer's table.
Okay. Okay.
Order.
Okay.
Okay. So here for a particular customer ID, the order ID is in comma separated value. Okay, for a single row, for a single customer, it will show all the order IDs in a single cell itself. Okay.
Okay.
You understood the question? Okay. So right now I want it in such a way that so how many values are there? How many orders ID are there? It should show in a different rows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Customer. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Right. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm good from my side. Yeah. Handing over to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anush. From our end, do you have any questions for us?
As of now, nothing. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Also, we get a session and the HR will reach out to you for the feedback. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, Anush. Bye.